Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month from today till the 11th of January 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story, honey. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, links are given below. Let's start. Capricorn, the overall energy for Capri's people for this week regarding this particular area of your life. We have the Four of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Tower. Bottom of the deck is a Hanged Man. What is going on, Cappies? What is going on? You guys are holding on to some kind of painful experience, some kind of breakup or separation, some kind of heartbreak so badly. You're like, I'm never letting go of this experience, this pain out of my life, out of my system, as if you're enjoying it, and you yourself is creating this kind of tower moment in your life where everything is collapsing, everything is falling apart. So something happened at some point of time. It might have happened like 4 years ago. Who knows? You're still holding on to that pain as if it happened yesterday only, or maybe today itself. It's as fresh in your energies as if it happened today or 2 3 days ago only. And you're so stuck in your life, you're not able to move on because you're not allowing yourself to move on. You're continuously coming back to this pain as it has become your comfort zone or something, as if it's your life. Actually it's a part of your life, but you're taking it like as a reality of your life, as if it is something that is your life in itself, right? My goodness. Cool. So this is some kind of painful experience, some kind of painful energy that you are holding on to, that happened to you at some point of time, and it, like, it made your life go crazy, to be honest with you. Everything fell apart and you're still holding on to that pain. Even if you're in a new connection, you guys are still holding on to that pain very very deeply. I don't know, it can be a mixture of one experience, it can be a mixture of so many experiences, or it can be something deeply like affecting that happened to you at some point of time, and you guys are just trying to hold on to this for dear life. Let's see, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cappies. Right now, Two of Wands. This is someone who feels like there is nothing that they can do about this situation apart from waiting and watching and hoping for some kind of something to happen in this direction. Let's clarify the Two of Wands here. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Emperor, and the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is feeling like it's all about divine timing. Someday the wheels are going to turn in their favor and they will be able to take the charge of the situation. Right now, they have some other responsibilities, maybe family, maybe job, career, finances. Something related to family kind of dynamics is very, very important for them. So now, right now, they're feeling like right now their priority is not this relationship. Right now, their priority is something else or someone else. Can be related to their job, finances, career, money, or family, or someone from their family, maybe. But they're right now feeling like they're not able to do anything. They have to wait and watch. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Six of Wands. From your side, you feel like you should be the center of attention of your world. At the same time, you feel like making having some kind of successful and victorious kind of energies around you. Let's clarify the Six of Wands. We have the Queen of Cups, the Strength card, The Knight of Pentacles. Okay, you mostly feel like having this self love, self care, self healing kind of energy, and stopping yourself from doing anything stupid in a particular direction. And you feel like slowly but surely everything is going to be fine. So you have a vision where you feel like having some kind of successful and victorious kind of energy in that vision of yours. I don't know if it's without a person or it's with yourself only, but simultaneously you feel like right now you should be focused on yourself, your self healing, your self love, your self care, and just stop yourself from doing anything stupid in your life that you're going to regret later on. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? Page of Pentacles. Their intention here is to have a cordial kind of bonding with you. Like this person doesn't want to close the gate properly, and they don't want to keep the gate open also properly. It's like having a cordial kind of bond between you and them so that you guys can, have maybe communication sometimes. Let's clarify this Page of Pentacles. They want to offer us a mature ground to the situation. Okay, let's clarify this Page of Pentacles here. We have the Page of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Swords. They want to watch this situation from a distance before they are going to offer some kind of long term partnership, before they are going to start or restart something in this direction that can lead to something meaningful. They want to have a clear cut perspective, clear cut understanding of what they are doing is right for both of you before they are going to jump forward, come forward, and do something about it. They want to keep this connection cordial. They don't want to close the door completely, but they don't want to keep it open like properly for you so that you can enter. No, they want to plan, they want to strategize, they want to understand the dynamics as if it is a political thing. This person is not using their heart at all. They are using their mind continuously, and they're giving it the name of, but this is how it should work. Okay, they're not following their heart at all. 0% following their heart, 1000% following their mind, and creating stories and scenarios that are helping them to manipulate themselves only. My goodness, this is bizarre and complicated both at the same time. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Oh, I hope nothing. This is not good for you or anyone, the way they are trying to handle the situation in a bizarre way by shutting down their emotions completely. Oh, you want to keep your heart fully innocent, full of love, full of compassion. You are ready to resolve it with someone, but with love and compassion. Okay. This is cute from your side. You are showing me your innocent side, very beautiful innocent side. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups here. We have Five of Swords, Three of Pentacles, the Moon card. Okay, that's good then. See, you're like, I don't want to stress about all the negative scenarios that happen in my love and relationship area. But Anjali, I want to face my fears head on. I want to deal with these fears, insecurities, and mysterious and secretive energies that keeps on attracting the wrong kind of people and wrong kind of energies towards me again and again and again. So I want to handle this portion, this area of my life with love and compassion. And I want to get out of stressful energies where things were not working out the way I wanted them to work out because of the way I was trying to manage them. Now I want to work on my shadow side. So that next time, whenever I am going to be with someone, I am going to be open and free and completely into it without any kind of fears or issues or pain or anything from the previous connections. This is really beautiful, Cappies. Very beautiful energy from your side. Open, receptive, compassionate. This is what you want. You're working on it behind the scenes. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 11th of January, Cappies. The Fool card. So It's like taking the leap of faith with the universe, jumping into the unknown, knowing that the universe got your back and everything is going to be fine. Let's clarify the Fool card. We have Two of Wands, Two of Cups, Six of Pentacles. Yes, you guys will be waiting very, very patiently for the time when you guys will be able to have this kind of equal give and take of energy within a particular dynamics for most of you, where you guys will be able to resolve some kind of issues or conflicts or drama that happened between you and a certain person or certain energy, so that you guys can be at peace, so that maybe you guys can come back together. Even if not like coming back together like couple, you guys have this energy to, be open to the idea of resolving some kind of issues with someone, where there's a waiting period going on. Somebody is like deliberately putting you on hold, or somebody is making you wait, or there are certain circumstances that are not allowing you guys to move forward in a particular situation. Your heart is open, your energies are open, but theirs are very much off and kind of, they're not connected to their heart, they're connected to their mind. That is creating the imbalance in itself. This person is not showing me any emotions, they're showing me I have to handle it like a mature person, as if I am a politician. This is not the matter of heart, this is a matter of mind for me. This is difficult, you cannot understand. Okay, maybe I don't. In the outcome, I do see you being in this energy of trusting the process, trusting the divine, waiting for the time when you will be able to have some kind of equal give and take of energy in a particular kind of dynamics. Whether it's going to lead to something or not, that's a different chapter that you're not very much worried about or concerned about at least at this point of time. For most of you, this is the outcome, and for others of you, it could be like, I am going to just keep moving forward in my life, and I'm going to wait for the right person to enter in my life so that I can have that equal give and take of a relationship, equal give and take kind of relationship that I deserve as a human, as a soul. Awesome. But the main point here is taking the leap of faith with the universe and trusting the process and trusting the divine as an outcome for you guys. Let's see the guidance here. The wheel, the world card, sorry, and the magician and the 10 of cups. My love, my dear Capricorn, see, you are manifesting a beautiful life, a beautiful happily ever after kind of a deal in your life, okay? But before that manifestation of yours, you also know that you have to finish a lot of unfinished businesses in your life that are open. There are like 1,000 tabs open in your life right now that you need to close in order to get your manifestation become a reality in your 3D world. Hmm? You cannot manifest anything with this kind of painful energy that you are going through right now. You are holding on to that pain, you're holding on to the negative experiences, you're working on it, for sure you're working on it. But until unless it's going to be the healing work is maybe 90% done or something, you will not be able to manifest what you want. So right now focus on cleaning the mess. Right now focus on closing the tabs one by one. It's going to take time, and then this manifestation of yours, it will start coming to fusion slowly but surely, naturally and organically. Just state it to the universe that this is what I feel like, this is what I want, okay, and become that energy, become that vibration, so that you can attract it in your life naturally and organically the way it should for all of us. But closing all the tabs before you are going to proceed further in this direction is very important. From inside you are feeling heartbroken and painful and whatnot, from outside you are manifesting happiness. It's not going to happen like that, no matter how many years you are going to waste on affirmations and visualizations and whatnot. Okay, we always get what we are from inside. We never get anything else from the outside world. So focus on the vibrations, focus on the feelings from the inside. That will help you a lot and save your time, efforts and energy. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular area of your life, love and relationship. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, just don't worry too much about it. Just leave and have fun. Okay. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If it is not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds. And your time starts now. Unlikely. Unlikely means for the time being it's a no. But if anything is going to change in the 3D world for you guys, the answer can also change. But for this week, it's kind of no. 90% it's a no. But if anything changes, something can change. The outcome can also change. That's also written in the like guidebook. Just a summary I told you, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.